All right, it's Saturday, and the last video I showed you there was mold here. It was actually in my office. This whole thing was my office, and it turned out that there was some moisture and mold and crap down the whole wall there. We had to tear everything out of here, including the outer wall. But USB, which is like overlay chipboard type thing all over, and then some plasterboard. I'm here because I thought I would paint the floors with this same epoxy, but I'm not. I can't get hold of the right stuff, and I was meaning to paint this floor and also the new floor behind this wall where the new office is gonna be, but right now it's like 1 centigrade Celsius in there, so I can't paint when it's that cold. Anyway, so I finally got the new machine I was talking about. It's this one. Yeah, it's a Derma press brake, is what you call it in English. The guy coming to set it up and basically teach me how to use it properly is showing up on Monday. It's gonna be sweet. Brand spanking new. And now you see the color scheme I went with. I might as well just write Derma here because it's fun. Anyway, so about the HDF thing, definitely the best one yet is the highest density of 970. There is one more that I would like to try out. That's compact fiber density board, I think it's called, and it's supposedly above 1,000, and they come in thicker sheets like 16, 19, 25 millimeters. So potentially I could use one of those and just surface it when I destroy it. Who knows? Yeah. Anyway, I bought a Centroid controller. Where is that thing? Because sure, I love the CS Mio and everything, but the software SimSensei is got a ways to go, and I can't really wait. They promised me like a script for this ATC thing 10 weeks ago or something, and they said it would be out in 2 or 3 weeks. So yeah, I can't wait with this stuff. I got a lot of work to do, and I also bought a probe to put next to the spindle, and I want to start using that as well. So this is what it looks like when you buy a Centroid Acorn. Well, I guess this is the Acorn itself in there, and also the expansion board. And this is the power supply. Yeah, power supply. Let's see if I can open this one-handed. Oh, it's got sticky tape all over. Anyway, it's not that exciting. I'll show you once it's installed. The Centroid software is really mature in comparison to SimSensei, so that's gonna be fun times. So yeah, small update. I'm actually thinking about putting in innertak, as they say in Sweden, a ceiling under this roof with lights in it, and also for noise absorbing dampening is what you call it. Anyway, see you guys later. Bye.